The coronavirus has hit the UK.
Department of Health has announced in the last half hour that 14 more people across Britain have died.
The main symptoms of coronavirus to look out for are a continuous dry cough and or a fever.
You must stay at home.
Pubs, bars and restaurants. These are all places we had to get used to living without. But for people like Kiki, this meant drinking from home. And it wasn't long until she started to notice a habit forming.
I have to admit, round about April, May, it definitely started to pick up. Because we were at home all day during the summer and it was great weather, why not have a cold beer during the day? Bearing in mind you're at work, because we're working from home. But you tend to you just don't even think about it because you're at home. So it's your normal kind of things that would stop you from drinking, like your work environment, i.e. you would get fired if you came in drunk to work. You don't have that anymore, and you just drink whenever you feel like it.
The Office for National Statistics reported that last year, 7,432 people lost their lives due to alcohol misuse. This is the highest amount in 20 years.
Sort of May, June, I was drinking every day. Cider then was during the day and vodka from 5 o'clock. I woke up one day feeling the most hungover I just felt awful. Went to the kitchen in the morning and saw 6 ciders and half a bottle of vodka gone.
Alcohol Change UK, a charity who work with local services, have found that people drinking from home has significantly increased.
What we found from our surveys is that something like a third of people say that they drank more during 2020 than they did in 2019, which is not surprising at all, given that people were quite stressed out, quite miserable, quite confined. And a significant number of people said they were drinking to cope.
Alcohol Change UK wants people to be aware alcoholism needs to be treated and is a health problem like any other.
If you're able to talk to your doctor, talk to your GP, go ahead. If you're perhaps not confident with doing that, if you have a quick look online, you'll find all sorts of local charities in your area who are offering support around alcohol issues. And support groups of people, if you want that kind of support, people who are very much in the same boat as yourself, people you find are probably very much like yourself.
In July, Kiki turned to a sobriety group, Be Sober, and she has been sober ever since.
You think that you're alone in all of this. You know that you're not alone, but you think that you are the only one struggling with your particular problem, which you are because you're an individual, but there are a lot more people who are in the exact same boat as I was.